3, 2, 1. Another day, another product. Welcome to the Review Factory again. My name is Joe, and in today's episode, here is a really cool product, the Ulefone Armor 7. This is the newest edition of the Armor series from Ulefone, and I've reviewed this phone multiple times in the past. Not exactly this phone, but the Armor 6 and 6E, etc. Anyway, Ulefone just sent me this product, and I have high hopes because the previous versions were very, very good. This exceeds them in almost every aspect. So let's see what's in the box. First of all, if I read the description on the back of the box, it's IP69K/IP68 proof. It has a water drop screen, that means the camera is like a water drop cutout. It has a Helio P90 octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, face unlock and fingerprint ID. Also, it has a 6.3 FHD display, 2340 x 1080p, wireless charging, 5500 milliamps. The battery size, yes, that's a lot. And it has Android 9 Pie. So, let's open this bad boy and let's see what you get in the box. What you can see, the front is basically just a huge screen, as you can see. But the interesting thing is on the back. This has a wireless charger. Now, it has 3 cameras. It has volume up and down. It has the power key. It has an 800-watt flashlight, 5 strong brightness rear flash up to 1600 watts. A heart rate sensor. It has wireless charging plus a customizable button on the side. It has the TF and SIM card tray. It's shockproof, it's waterproof, it's everything you want in a phone like this. But it has a glass back. I don't know how much, you can destroy this phone. I've reviewed the previous model on my Hungarian channel, and I put it into cement and it survives. And that video is very, very popular. Even though you don't understand, go ahead down in the description below and check out that video. I just put it in cement, left it there for like a couple of hours, and then broke it out and it worked perfectly. Now, since it's very, very cold outside, I want to do something special with this because, it's waterproof. I want to see what this guy can do. But let's go ahead and see what's in the box. First, we take this out, you see the SIM ejector tool. Then what they do is they give you a tempered glass screen protector, and look at that, how much accessories you get in the box straight. So you get, first of all, a strap, a nice little strap so you can strap it to your hand. You get a USB-A, USB-C adapter, which is very handy, and you get a USB-A, USB-C charging cable. Also in the box, you get a micro USB and USB-C adapter. You get a USB-C and headphone jack adapter, and you get a charger. Now, if we look at the phone itself, it's pretty standard Android 9 Pie. Nothing extraordinary. The user experience is pretty fine. If you go into the phone, everything is as what you would expect. You have the applications, you have, whatever you want. The camera quality is, fine. I guess it's okay. It could be better, but it's not that bad. Now, what I am going to do to this phone is something extraordinary because this is shockproof. This is waterproof. And it's currently -6, -7 degrees outside. I want to freeze this phone and drop it. Because let's say you're outside working on a construction and it's like terribly cold and you drop your phone in a puddle or something and it freezes overnight. I want to see if I freeze this phone, does it still work? And if I drop it down as a big ice cube, will it survive? So if you're interested in seeing if the Ulefone Armor 7 survives the freeze test and the drop test, then you better stick with me. So guys, here we are, the Ulefone Armor 7. I'm gonna put this in ice and I'm gonna drop it off. First step, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Excuse for the rebuilding of the kitchen. Anyway, we're gonna put this in a box and we're gonna freeze it. So I'm gonna get a box of water and put this in. So this is just an ordinary plastic box. I put some baking paper into it so when it freezes, I can take it out easily and it won't stick or won't freeze to the plastic. Here goes the little phone, IP68K. I'm gonna put this in here. As you can see, it's underwater. Close the box and put it in the freezer. So guys, here we have it. Ulefone Armor 7 in a block of ice. And there is some stones, it's like concrete, and that's where I'm gonna drop this baby. I'm really curious if this baby will survive. First of all, will it survive the ice? And then will it survive the fall? So, you know, let's see. And on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. So as you can see over here, the phone has landed. Apart from being very, very cold, I don't see any cracks on it. I don't see any scuffs on it. So, you know, I give it a pass. But if I don't press the buttons, they're frozen and they're not working. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this inside. I'm gonna heat it up, get the battery up to the correct percentage, and then I'll see if the phone works. All right guys, as you can see, the phone is working. I didn't have to take it in, but the screen is not responsive. I can feel the vibration, but it's not working. All right guys, well, I didn't even have to take it inside. It works. It works perfectly. Screen is really responsive. Everything is good. Camera works. I'm amazed. Freeze test was a success in a block of ice and dropped from about 10 meters maybe. Really cool. So, if you want to win this phone, because I'm giving away this phone, all you have to do is go to my Instagram page. Instagram.com/Joe Ritter, and just follow me there, and I'll have a post. Well, you just have to comment, and I'll give this to one of the commenters. All right guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.